Night photography, the moon. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and watch until the end of this video. Our natural satellite is the easiest celestial object to photograph. It's definitely worth starting to put into practice what we learned in the previous video. In these few pages, we've collected various photos of the moon. Moon phases. Light and shadow play on the moon with clouds. Rising or setting moons. Full moon. Surface details. To capture these photos, you should follow the tips from the previous video. A well-done focus is very important, as is using a tripod that keeps the camera stable and free of vibrations. Use a remote shutter if possible. Clearly, to obtain highly magnified details, you'll need a powerful lens or a telescope. Thanks to stay with us until the end of this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the new contents that will be published regularly.